Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today I'm about to be heading over to my shop and I need to put in a little bit of work on the C6. Unfortunately, Aaron's out of town, so he won't be at the shop, so that means I have to do the work myself. I'm lazy. Oh yeah, I gotta show y'all something. Let me show y'all real quick. Bam! Look who's here. So we managed to steal Granny from her house for the weekend, so she came out here with us. So she over here chilling, watching whatever she's watching on Netflix. You relaxing? You don't need no clothes on.
She has no fires. Come on, we want 15 years.
Granny drinking homemade Starbucks.
She wants a plea. She gets the max.
Instead of Starbucks, we're gonna call it
Well, what about giving her prison so she'll
Nita dollars or something.
$8?
Get it? Bucks,
Nita paper.
bucks, dollar. Nita, since you know your name ain't Starbucks. Bucks. Nita. Need a coin.
Need a coin. There you go.
This is what we're getting on today. My sway bars arrived for the C6. This is a full Hotchkiss kit, front and rear. Also, the brake lines arrived, so we can get the Z06 brakes on. This is supposedly, it's like supposedly like 30% stiffer than Z06 and 40 to 50% stiffer than the current base bars that I have on there. So we'll see if this makes an improvement. I did notice that once I put the bigger wheels on there, the car wants to sway a lot more than normal. So I'm hoping this corrects that and it doesn't, you know, feel as switchy as it does. But we'll see, you know, once we get this on. But let's load this stuff in the car and then we'll head to the shop. Yo, you know what? This is gonna be actually the first time I heard this thing with the co-start since the cam. Like when I went to the shop to hear it for the first time, it was always already warm, so we gotta hear the co-start for the first time, yo. So just getting to the shop and I forgot to bring my shop keys. So my girl's about to look in the FD, bring those to me real quick, and then we can commence. Hella dumb, man. Freaking left them in the FD because that was the last car I drove here. Thank you. I lightweight feel disrespected, yo. When my girl came to drop off the keys just now, she was like, "Is Aaron coming to help you?" Like, she I can't work on my own car, bruh. Even she forgetting who I am, man. The disrespect, yo. Gonna have me out here just getting dirty, pulling engines like in the old days in Granny driveway. Before I had friends to help me work on my car, I did everything myself. But now that I have a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying, to not do the work, best better believe I'm gonna do that. But yeah, she tried to play me, feel me? Like I didn't go to school for this. Like, nigga, I went in Granny driveway wrenching with Walmart tools, renting tools from AutoZone because I didn't have something. Trying to finesse me. Bushings.
Ever come up out the cracks and try to tell me how to get it poppin' really? Way too motherfucking educated to be spending any time just talking with me. Many people waiting on me in the lobby, time to board the bus and get it in. $100,000 conversation with investors telling me they want it in. Know some women from around the way always call me when they in a jam. Used to give them all the time of day, now they scrolling through my Instagram, wishing that they did accommodate. I ain't even feel they need a grant. Never been the type to hold a grudge, I don't even love them, they ain't getting in. Why are we talking? Tell me something that I don't know. Tired of bullshit. People seem to have a boatload. Don't you see I got the fam here? These are people that been rocking with me. Don't you ever come up out the cracks and try to tell me how to get it poppin' really. Probably pop a willie, you was poppin' Zen. No sir, that ain't proper with me. Rather pop a band than to pop a cap. If you ever did my people wrong or did me dirty, you can be assured I'm not your friend. Whip the color of some pots of pants. If you were looking for someone to give you a hand, that boy, I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man, and you not my girl. Let's not get too involved. Too focused on my career now, that got you too appalled. My bad, I'm sorry, baby, it's just I become too evolved. I'm whipping in my own lane, says a lot about the two of y'all. Who'da thought I'd be really making all this money off of music, dawg? You can find me on the east side, then I'm gonna get illusion, dawg. At my shows, everybody got up in the crowd going super hard. I ain't even gotta lie about it, you ain't even gotta doubt it. Got me asking, why are we talking? Tell me something that I don't know. Tired of bullshit. People seem to have a boatload.
All done. Front sway bar in and the rear end. Just made sure everything was all tight. Hopefully this feels better, which it should. These are hella bigger than the stock ones. Like, look at this. It's like 2 fingers thick. And then look at the stock one, yo. Literally like less than 1 finger. So these are a lot thicker than the factory ones. And these are actually thicker than the ZR1, Z06, and Z51 package sway bars. So yep, let's get this thing lowered. So I was gonna throw the Z06 brakes on, but I'm here by myself, and if I throw the brakes on, I don't have anybody here to help me bleed them. So we'll probably do these maybe Monday or something when Aaron gets here. No one's here, everybody's gone. So I'm gonna pull this thing out and I'm going to test it. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. I ain't even see if my lights worked. My little fog lights. Ooh, they bright. I can see them reflecting off of the mailbox. I mean, the toolbox. Mailbox. Ah! Only one is on. Come on, yo. You crash it, you buy it. I don't want that raggedy ass boat.
Cousin Mike gave me the keys to his vet. Say, take it up the street. Don't mind if I do. It's my first time driving a cammed LS3 vet. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. I got to have it. I got to have it. You want it? You want it? One way. Woo. Gee whiz.
He's smiling.
I like it. Like, yeah.
Not bad, huh?
It's just, I'm just getting out of it. Nah, it feel good, man.
First victim. Granny, I'm gonna make a whole series of you just falling inside the car. All my cars are you just diving in.
Let's go where put it this low ass thing.
Look, you got it now. You got the fall down. You should just be a basketball player taking charges. Just fall in. All right, ready? Go ahead. Try to get out. Come on, just push.
Playing with me.
Push. It's the same pushing like you was pooping. You got it. You got it. Come on, Granny. You can do it.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about to do